Is my money safe in Acorn? Intro. Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Acorn, a popular investing app. Specifically, I'm going to be answering the question, is your money safe in Acorn? Before I get into the details, I want to start by saying that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy who's interested in investing, and I've been using Acorn for a while now. So, take what I say with a grain of salt, and do your own research before making any investment decisions. With that said, let's get started. What is Acorn? Acorn is an investing app that makes it easy to save and invest your money. It's designed to be user-friendly, and it offers a variety of features that make it a great option for beginners. One of the things that I like about Acorn is that it automatically rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. This is a great way to save money without even thinking about it. Acorn also offers a variety of investment options, including stocks, bonds, and ETFs. You can choose which asset classes you want to invest in, or you can let Acorn choose for you. Is Acorn safe? Now, let's get to the question that you're probably here to answer. Is Acorn safe? The short answer is yes, Acorn is safe. Your money is held in FDIC-insured accounts, which means that it's protected from bank failures. In addition, Acorn is a member of the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, SIPC. This means that your investments are protected up to $500,000 in the event of a broker-dealer failure. So, you can rest assured that your money is safe with Acorn. Acorn's fees. One of the things that you should be aware of is that Acorn charges fees. These fees can vary depending on the type of account you have and how much money you invest. Here's a breakdown of Acorn's fees. 0.25% per year on the first $5,000 in your account. 0.5% per year on the next $5,000 in your account. 0.75% per year on any amount over $10,000 in your account. These fees may seem high, but they are actually in line with other similar investment apps. Should you use Acorn? Whether or not you should use Acorn depends on your individual circumstances. If you're a beginner who is looking for a simple and easy-to-use investing app, then Acorn is a great option. However, if you're an experienced investor who is looking for more control over your investments, then Acorn may not be the best choice for you. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use Acorn is up to you. I would encourage you to do your own research and weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. Conclusion. In conclusion, Acorn is a safe and user-friendly investing app that offers a variety of features that make it a great option for beginners. However, it's important to be aware of the fees that Acorn charges before you decide to use it. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, I'll say goodbye. Thanks for watching. Outro. In addition to the information I've covered in this video, I would also like to add that Acorn is a great way to learn about investing. The app offers a variety of educational resources, including articles, blog posts, and videos. If you're new to investing, I highly recommend checking out Acorn's educational resources. They can help you learn the basics of investing and make informed decisions about your money. Thanks for watching. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Acorn, please click on the link below. You can also sign up for a free Acorn account by clicking on the link below. Thanks for watching. Additional information. Acorn's website, https://www.acorns.com. Acorn's blog, https://blindpygandaacorn.com/r-blog. Acorn's YouTube channel, https://www.youtube.com/user/acorntv. Disclaimer. The information in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Please consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. I hope this script is helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.